Our early evening has arrived as we wind down the next weekend of April, and on this Palm Sunday, April 13th, 2025, CN Hayes here. Good evening to you, 1925, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again with one last video lined up for you to end the weekend. Southbound on the way, I met the 343 led by the 8891. Let's check them out on the roll by us. We'll lean back and get them. Here we go. C6M rebuild to lead it. Featuring. Oh, that's 9. 679. K3LAR24. The hot Q198. Q198.51 of the 7th. Starting at Fairview, started British Trooper, British Columbia, Canada. So heading down to the Markham Garden, Homewood, Illinois. So crap. Still have a GPU. GPU 757. Rolling down around 30. To bring up the last of it. End of train device is still rolling. Not bad at all to end it for Palm Sunday, no doubt about it. And that is going to do it for the hot Q198, 51 of the 7th. And we'll do it for the Dash 9 of 2679. Sporting the Nathan K3LAR24 horns to lead it, and the DPU of SD70M-2 8848. And once again, it'll head bound for Markham Yard in the Homewood, Hazel Crest, Illinois location. Nice. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for today as well. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great night. I'll see you next time. I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.